Take one honeycomb. Oh, grab one. Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be playing Beehive Surprise. Okay. You wanna open it, or Grandma gonna open it?
Cutter.
Cutter? What happened? Oh, look at that.
The bucket get eaten.
Alright, take out this thing.
No, Grandma's.
Oh, the scissors. Oh, if you're looking for the scissors.
Because he's doing it with Jay.
Oh.
Grandpa.
No, you have to eat it. The bucket eat me.
Oh, that's a bee. Let me see. Where's his eyes though? He doesn't have an eye.
There is the eyes here.
Eyeball. Oh, yeah, the eyeball is right over there.
Right, this one.
You like the honeycombs?
No, he's eating that.
Yeah.
Mine.
It's yours.
Mine.
Can I borrow?
No,
This one goes right here. See that?
the bee's hungry to eat.
Yeah. Whoa.
Fresh air.
There you go.
Take
one honeycomb. Oh.
Take
Whoa.
Oh, it's hard to get.
Yeah, you're supposed to. Wait a minute, push it back. Okay. Eli's turn. I get what? Oh, what? I'm just about to reach for it. All right. Well, we'll try again. That's funny. All right. All right. All right. All right. Press this button, Eli.
I guess.
All right. My turn. Whoa. It scares me. Eli, your turn.
You.
My turn.
I'm
Ah! Alright, let's do that again. That's funny. Alright.
It's fast.
I know, it's a fast game. Alright,
Take
Eli.
Yours. You.
You grab.
Grab one only.
I'm so scared.
Settle.
Alright, my turn.
Again.
Ah! Alright. Alright, Grandma's turn. Or you gotta press the button. Okay. Alright. Your turn. Oh! That scares me. Ah! Ah! Eli, come here. Your turn. Your turn. Alright, let's go. Play over here, and so Eli can. Alright,
beside
press,
me.
No, it's
Oh.
okay. Press Eli. Press this button. You can just stay here. Or there. Okay, doesn't matter.
The bucket eating.
Button.
Press the button. Alright, grab one, Eli.
I got one.
Ow! That was fast.
Okay.
Alright, Eli, put that back over here. Alright, my turn. Eli, your turn. Here you go. Grab one.
The bucket.
Yeah, you go.
Take one. Scared? Take
It's
one.
okay, just take one. It's
Just grab
okay.
one.
It's not gonna.
I'll grab it for you.
Grandma's gonna grab for you. Okay, there you go. My turn. On your turn.
And
Eli, come here. Your
Eli.
turn. Ah! Ah! And he's like a bee, circling around like a bee. Alrighty, so Chucky's gonna play with us, and Grandma's over here. Okay, so that's a good. Let me take a picture with Chucky first. There you go. Do that again, Chucky. That's cute. Alright, now, Chucky, so all we gotta do is take one honeycomb out at a time. So, wait let's
press.
start. Alright,
Okay,
now.
take one.
Take one honeycomb. Oh.
One.
Oh! Grandma, you already beat you. Hold on. Chucky, it actually moved.
One at a time.
Here, and let me make it easy for Chucky. Alright.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Grab
Chucky.
one.
Grab
Just
one. Eli, wanna join? Alright. Alright,
Okay,
Eli's
Eli.
turn.
Take one.
Take one, Eli. One.
Take one. Yeah.
Alright. Oh! One more round. One more round. Oh. Alright.
Okay.
So Eli and Chucky can play. Alright. Alright, Eli, go get your honeycomb. Get one.
Yeah.
Get one.
Yeah, money.
Ah, get one. It's okay. Chucky, you can get one.
Here.
Alright, my turn. Ah!
My turn.
Alright, Eli, your turn.
Eli. Jackie.
Okay, my turn.
You.
Ah,
Grandma's
my
turn. Alright, Eli.
Eli. Look at Jackie.
Eli, go grab one. Grab one. Grab one. Oh,
Okay,
alright.
Jackie.
Ah! That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
High five. Thank you. Hello boys and girls, welcome to another video. So today we have Nickelodeon slime. So it's a slime bubbles.
Yeah, it is forward bubble your puppet.
Oh, you want to blow bubbles and pop it? Alright,
Yeah.
I can open it. Eli specifically chose this one. Oh no! Let me see. I'll throw that in the trash later, but let me see it first. How does it work? Yeah. I think I have to take it out. No, there
I
you go.
dug it.
Yeah.
Ew.
Now you gotta take it out.
Ew.
No. I think you. No. Wait. It goes in there. Wait. Like this, Eli. Look. It's already open, or like.
Mama.
No, it has to go inside, Eli.
Ew. Yeah.
No, let's see. I think some of them are already in there. Wait a minute. How do you blow bubbles over here?
Maybe flow.
No. Well, I think we're missing something. It says blow bubbles. There's no stick. Eli wanna show me how he climbs. Okay. You wanna climb that? Well, you're doing good, but this is not the time for that. You can do that at the park, but not here though. They don't have enough space on top. You're doing a good job though. Help you.
There is never a dull moment in my house.
Alright. He's so excited. Be careful.
Sizing up the floating tiles. You gotta have confidence and wiggle through the floating tiles. It requires agility and
What are you You're not sliding down. You want to sit on it? Okay, go sit. I sit on the slide. Alright, what are you gonna do if I sit down? I wonder what he's gonna do.
They get hit you.
Oh no!